Hey there, welcome to my channel, Mess with Michelle. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you're all here and hanging out with me today because I'm going to be sharing with you a main level clean with me. It's been about a week since I've gave my main level a good deep clean, so I wanted to share with you that cleaning motivation that you may need to clean your tasks around your house. So usually with my cleaning, I always start with just sections and I always kind of skip certain areas of the house, but today that is not happening. I'm cleaning my dining room, my kitchen, my living room, main hallway, and also giving my carpets a very deep clean that's well needed. So if you love this type of content and cleaning motivation as well as how-to videos and DIYs, I would definitely love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, because I like to take you on my messy journey. So in that last clip, I just showed you the cord of my lamp that I bought a few months ago when I did my office makeover, and Duke, who's my 4-year-old French bulldog, got a hold of the cord when I wasn't around and decided to chew it. So now my table lamp is just for decorative purposes. Thankfully, it was unplugged when he did chew it, but now I'm out of luck and I don't have my lamp working for my desk. Also, if you've been here before and you've seen my office makeover, I had this chair as my office chair for my desk, but after so many months of using it, it just was not functional and comfortable. So I had to cave and get an actual office chair, which is a lot better and a lot more comfortable when you're working at the desk for long periods of time. So our dining space is kind of like a catch-all area, and I'm really considering making it over and moving my desk upstairs and actually having just a dedicated dining room, getting a new table. So hopefully to look out for something like that in the future from one of my videos, because I definitely will share that with you. And you're going to see in just a minute, a few months ago I did a makeover of my closet and I organized all my shoes of what I'm going to be throwing out and what I'm going to be donating, and they are still sitting in my dining room. So as I said, it's a catch-all area. We even have Bobby's guitars, so it'll be just nice to have this space cleaned up and actually used as a dining room. When it comes to my cleaning style, I definitely stick to cleaning in sections and zones in my house. I clean the downstairs area all at once or just different sections, and then I don't focus my time on the upstairs level. For me, I find it so much more manageable to be able to clean sections instead of going around the whole entire house. It's always been my style. I can't even remember the last time I cleaned my whole entire house in one shot, but when I do clean in sections, I want to give my time and focus and make sure I do a good deep clean of these areas. I find if I clean my entire house, I get tired out, I start losing steam, and this way it just doesn't make cleaning fun, and I just want to get it done. So this method has been working for me, as I mentioned, for years. So let me know in the comments if you're the same, if you like to clean in sections rather than the entire house, or if you're the type of person who just loves to get the whole entire house clean at one shot.
Unpredictable, so original. You were never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane.
Here's a shot of my countertop, and I was really surprised to see how many crumbs were on the counter because I was actually just going underneath the cupboard to put something away and looked up, and within eye level there were so many crumbs. When you look directly down the countertop, you can't see it. So that's why I love doing the eye level check, is just checking to see what is on the countertops, because sometimes it doesn't really stand out when you're standing above the counter. Another thing I like doing is I like to clean on a bright and sunny day because it just brings out all the nitty-gritty spots of your house that you have to clean. So you can see the dust on the floor, the crumbs on the countertop, and then you know exactly where to tackle and put your focus on. This past week it was really gloomy, so I didn't get that good bright sunny sky to clean my house and give it a good deep clean, but today was a perfect day because it was actually sunny, so it was great for getting down and dirty and seeing all those little nooks and crannies that had to be cleaned in my house.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night.
Another part of my house that I have to clean is my sink. Even if it's just a light rinsing out or just a deep clean, I have to get it clean. I can't let any food linger in here or any residue from when I finish cleaning the dishes. It has to get scrubbed. I just cannot leave the sink looking not clean after I'm finished using it. So every single time I'm done, I'm either rinsing it or giving it a good scrub, because it just makes me feel so much more better knowing that it's clean for the next time that I have to use my sink area.
Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
Now moving on to my butler's pantry, which is located between my dining room as well as my kitchen, and Halloween is just around the corner, so I had this little setup of decorations in this space, and the sign says we'll trade candy for wine, and I have this little skeleton wine holder as well, so I thought it was pretty fitting to have in this area because it is the butler's pantry where we have a lot of our wine glasses and beer mugs, so it definitely goes along with the theme in this space.
It'll be enough, or if they really care, there's a stairway down for the both of us, but let's not go there. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here, oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer. 'cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if there's a way out. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but I won't have it. Whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight. I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this. I don't wanna waste no time. Feel it coming now, it's a sign. Never felt like this in my life. Not waiting a minute, awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight.
This little small table had a coffee stain on it for like a week. I don't know why I was not cleaning it off, so I had to give it a good scrub down. But it's usually unlike me to keep it like that for so long, but I'm glad I'm actually cleaning today because I had to get that stain off because it was driving me crazy. And I also got a few new pillows. The front pillow is new and it's just something that I got from my mom, and it was perfect because she had them and didn't really need them, so she handed them over to me and it works perfectly on my couch. And if you missed my warm and cozy clean with me, I was talking about Buster, who's my 10-year-old Boston Terrier who loves to steal my throw here, thinking it's his. I've lost the battle because he's pretty much taken over this blanket. As much as I tell him no, he is always getting cozy underneath it. So I guess I'm just gonna have to learn to share with the dog my nice, cozy, warm blanket.
Got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel it burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling way down. All delusional. Got the feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Still I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up? You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you like
Before I clean my carpet, I just want to give you a look at my Halloween decorations on my mantle. So this pumpkin here is from HomeSense, and I bought it this year. And then I just have a little colander with my candle on top. And I like this little box. It's from my warm and cozy fall decorate with me, so I reused it for my Halloween. I just added some dark flowers and just some little pops of green and purples. And I had these little tiny witch legs. They're just like 2 witch legs, and then it have a little hat as well. So I wanted to make it look like the box fell on the witch, so it looks funny. I like this one probably the best. And then I love this sign, a witch lives here with her little monsters. So Duke and Buster are my little monsters, so I thought it was very fitting to have this on the mantle. And then finally I have down here from HomeSense my pumpkin patch sign, which I just got this year also for the first time. And then I love this as well. It's the Headless Horseman. I love this story, especially for Halloween, and it's a countdown to Halloween. And this is also underneath the basket that I had from my fall decorations. I just reused it and just draped over some, I don't know what this is stuff, this like spider stuff on the side. So nothing too crazy. I didn't have a video about it because I was way too far behind and people are already posting stuff on Christmas. So I just want to give you a quick sneak peek of what I have for Halloween. Now I'm giving the carpets a really good deep clean with my PowerDash Hoover carpet cleaner, and this little machine is small but powerful. It's only 13 pounds. I bought it for $100 at Canadian Tire, and I'm really happy with the cleaning of it because it's pretty powerful for such a small machine. The only thing, if you are considering buying it, just remember that the cleaning is a pain in the butt. That's the only downfall of this carpet cleaner, but otherwise it works really well, and I'm using the Renew and Refresh carpet cleaner in the machine. I have an entire video on a demonstration of how to use it, so I'll link it above for you to check out if you're interested in getting this machine for your house. Now I'm going in and just dusting off the bench in my closet area, and if you missed my front entryway closet renovation, I'll link it above for you to check out because it's such a full transformation. You'll not believe the before and afters. So if you're going for this look or wanted to have something different for your main entry hallway rather than just the average doors and closet look, I definitely recommend to check it out because the before and after, as I mentioned, are just incredible, and I'm just so happy that I made the transformation. So if you've been to my channel before, you know I love my Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max. I've made a few videos about how to use it and just different demonstrations. It's a 2-in-1 if you're not familiar, so it's a vacuum as well as a mop. So as I'm vacuuming, I'm mopping the floors at the same time by dispensing solution on the floor. I find this is a game changer, especially for me as a pet owner. I have so much hair on my floors, and it just is so nice to be able to cut out the sweeping or the vacuuming before I actually mop. So it's my go-to when it cleans my floors. So if you're looking for something to cut down cleaning time or you're a pet owner, I definitely would recommend looking into it. It's a bit of an investment, but I find that I use it all the time, and it definitely gets a lot of well use in this household. So here are some satisfying after shots of the house now that the main level is totally clean. I always have peace of mind knowing that I have a nice clean house to walk into. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up before you head out, and also definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. And anyone who's new here, as a reminder, I upload my videos every Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hopefully I will see you in my next video next Sunday.